Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to connect to servers/login failed error in Fortnite. Let's dive right in. First, open Task Manager by searching for it and clicking on it. In Task Manager, check the Processes tab for any instances of Epic Games Launcher. If you see it, right-click and select End Task. Then, switch to the Details tab and look for any remaining Epic Games processes. Right-click those and select End Process Tree. Also, check your system tray and exit the launcher if it's still running. Next, search for Epic Games Launcher in the Start menu, right-click on it, and choose Open File Location. Once there, right-click on epicgameslauncher.exe and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Also, tick Run this program in compatibility mode, if needed, then click Apply and OK. Now, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Next, type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter again. Finally, restart your computer. Once it boots back up, launch Fortnite and see if the update or login error is resolved. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.